morning into the middle of the day. It was a hot summer morning into the middle of the day. Don't feel like working, don't care what man says.
Pag tumingin ka na, kislap ng iyong